Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, when you install any app on your iPhone or any iOS device and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, you need to check your internet connection first. So guys, if you have not connected with any internet, then guys, you need to connect first. And guys, after connecting it, you need to go back. And guys, if you're using mobile data, then guys, you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys, secondly, you need to click on screen time, and guys, click on content and privacy restrictions, as you can see. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on here is the option of allowed apps. You need to click on this one, and guys, if Safari is not allowed, then guys, you need to make it allow. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys, simply you need to scroll it down, and guys, below you will find the option of general. Simply you need to click on date and time, and guys, make sure that date and time is set automatically. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys, check your VPN connection. If connected, then guys, you need to disconnect your VPN and scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. And guys, after doing this, at the last, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.